Assalamu alaikum, everybody. My name is Nur Hassan Murad, and super student is next to me. And now I'm going to ask him some question in Bangla, and he will translate this into English. So, sir, at first, introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir. This is Hafizul Bashar. Bashar, my nickname is Bashar. I am coming from Kaligos, Tushbandar to be more exact. I am a student of class 7 in Josiruddin Vidyaniketan.
Okay, Bashar. Now I'm going to ask you some question. Okay.
Yes.
সে আমার মনের মতো।
She is after my heart.
Okay. তুমি যদি আসো আমি যাব।
If you come, I will go.
Good. Okay. এই দেয়ালটা রং করো।
Color the there.
Good. Color the দেয়াল। Okay. আমি নিশ্চিত তুমি আসবে।
I am pretty sure you will come.
Good. Nice. Then, তুমি কি খাচ্ছো?
What are you eating?
Good. তুমি কেন কাটছো?
Why are you crying?
তুমি কেন কাটছো?
Why are you crying?
Yeah, why are you crying? Nice. আমি কোথাও যাব না।
I will not go anywhere.
বইগুলো ব্যাগে রাখো।
Bag this book.
Bag this book. Nice. Bag these books. Okay. তারা আমাকে চেনেন।
They are know me.
No, sir. They
Yeah.
are not. They know me. They know
me.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
know me. Okay. কবিতাটা মনোযোগ দিয়ে পড়ো।
The poem read attentively.
No, sir. Read the poem
the poem
attentively. Good.
attentively.
আমরা ভুল করবো শিখবো।
Yes.
Read the poem
Attentively.
attentively. Good. আমার কোনো সমস্যা নেই।
I have no problem.
Good. Nice. The last sentence is for you. তুমি কেন আমি তো বুঝতে পারছি না। তুমি তোমার মন স্থির করো।
Fix your mind.
Okay, thank you. অনেক সুন্দর হয়েছে। Thank you, Mr. Bashar. Thank you for coming here. And it's your first video, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and I would like to request you all to inspire him. And it is his first video. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Salam diye apni.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.